Hey friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is especially for teachers because it is about voice. What is your profession? Teaching, singing? Are you using your voice extensively in your profession? Have you ended up with an voice stress? Well, as a parent, teacher, or as a student, what do you think when a teacher speaks in a hoarse voice? Have you met some teachers sometimes croaking while speaking? What is the reason do you feel? Well, there is no surprise. It is not only the only profession where voice is used extensively. Motivational speakers, politicians, mimicry artists, dubbing artists, all these professions use their voices extensively. This is called occupational hazard. In India, teacher to student ratio is normally at 1:40. But generally, it also happens that the ratios are between 1:60 to 80 as well. That means the teacher have the responsibility of disciplining at least 40 very active minds on an average. This is a very tough job, right? The teacher also uses the voice in speaking daily for about 8 hours. Imagine 8 hours of speaking. That can cause a lot of side effects like feeling pain while speaking, voice hoarseness, muted voice, etc. But that is not limited. I have a friend who has spent his lifetime in teaching. He lost his voice gradually. Recently, he went to a doctor asking for advice. The doctor diagnosed him with severe inflammation of voice box. Ultimately, he had to go for a surgery to get his normal voice back. This is a lesson for the younger generation, and it is a responsibility also to save your voice. Let's begin by learning the science and physiology behind the voice. Voice is produced by voice box and it is also called larynx. Larynx is present behind the esophagus and is situated in trachea. When we breathe, the air passes through the vocal cords which open to let the air inside the lungs. Air from the lungs, when thrown back, is forced between them and makes them vibrate, producing the sound of your voice. The tongue, lips, and teeth form this sound into words. It is not only the teacher, but students also suffer because of teachers' voice stress. The voice stress leads to cracked and hoarse voice for the teacher. The students are not able to hear the lecture properly, misunderstanding of teaching concept and causes distraction in the classroom. Teachers are forced to skip classes to rest their voice. Teachers are not able to utilize full potential of their teaching ability for their fear of loss of voice. It is a common difficulties. Let's learn how to take care of your voice. Stay away from common cold. Speaking continuously with cough and cold will aggravate the voice stress. Increase your immunity and stay away getting caught common cold. Keep your hands clean. Germs reaches mouth through hands. Make sure wash your hand or use sanitizer to avoid respiratory infection. Do not yell at students. You are damaging your voice box but also the morale of the students. Instead use attention grabbing techniques which I will explain in my upcoming videos. Slow down your speech. Speaking too quickly can cause a voice stress. Try to speak at optimal speed. Adjust your natural pitch of voice. Identify what is your natural pitch of voice and most comfortable to you without stressing the voice box. Stay hydrated and avoid oily food. Sip the water in between while teaching continuously to moisten your throat. Avoid oily food, which causes acid reflexes. If your voice is stressed at that time, change the pattern of your teaching by taking the student for an outdoor activity for the day. Avoid allergens and pollutants by putting a face mask whenever you are going out. Let us see some of the home remedies which you can do daily to take care of your voice. Gargle with warm water with salt in it is the most easily available antibacterial and antiviral mouthwash. Each of these mouthwash can get rid of the bacteria and viruses from your mouth. Enjoy tea with honey and ginger to soothe your voice, being it a natural anti-inflammatory. Say strict no to cold drinks as it is very bad for your voice and health. There are technological remedies as well. Better to amplify your voice rather than shouting using technology. I personally use Laploma loudspeaker while giving lectures to my students. I will leave an Amazon link from where you can buy this device. It works well with a student size of 40 to 50 in a class. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching and take care. Please like this video and support us. Subscribe the video and press the bell icon to get notification of more videos. Share the video with your friends and family if you find it useful. At the end, bye for now.